Yo, what's up guys? Today ICStar.ru decided to send me a box out from DIOR. Make sure to be on the lookout for a new video I'll be posting this week about my whole shoe collection. Make sure to go watch it because I have more than $20,000 in shoes, which is crazy if I think about it. Make sure to also like this video and go to ICStar.ru. Now let's unbox the shoes. First up, we get a receipt from DIOR themselves in Hong Kong. As you can see, 10,000 Hong Kong dollars. Very cool. You also get a DIOR bag with a DIOR rubber imprint. Now let's check out the shoes. These are the DIOR B22s in the white colorway. It's a very nice shoe for the summer. As you can see, all details are spot on. They also have the inside tags, very nice. Make sure to go cop these from ICStar.ru. They also have a second website, which is vip.icstar.ru, where I have my shoes from. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.